The kids figured out that that was Tower Terror, which I didn't realize that until like I read an article about it a year ago, and Bella just looked up and went, "Look, there's Tower Terror." They just noticed things like that. So we're gonna head over here to the quick service in Mexico for lunch. They do have all the little vendors out for the food and wine festival, but we just, I don't know, we just tend to not do this. I wouldn't mind doing it like on a date night. It's just not really my husband's thing. He just would really prefer to go to a restaurant, to be honest. So we're just gonna go here and eat and then go back over to the other side. So we're gonna go over here and check out the menu and see if they have stuff that everyone will eat. For lunch, Natalie got the cheese empanadas. Yeah, the cheese is a little hot. Natalie got the chicken tenders. I got nachos to share with everyone, and Daddy got chicken tacos. Those look really good. Here, hold on. Right here by the water, so we've got a beautiful view. We are all hungry. We're doing bird watching while we're eating too. There's little tiny ones, and then there's really cool, kind of a shimmery blue and black. Is there one over there? They keep coming around. This was really, really good. The tacos were the best part, I think. Sorry, I'm not filming with the... We're talking about going to get the boat over there and riding the boat across to the American Adventure area. So we don't have to worry about crowds. And got some more water because it's important to stay as hydrated as possible when it's this hot and humid. This little pavilion has a really nice view of the World Showcase. You can see all the way around.
The bird over there?
Did I miss all the birds? Oh, I see that bird. This is like a prime bird watching spot over here. What's he doing, Isabella? I don't know. He's trying to get into something.
I think he's actually the reflection on the box. I think he might be trying to defend himself against the reflection.
You making lemonade out of the water? He's practicing those letters sounds again.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
Because you're wearing the lane, I'm wearing the Moana dress. Right?
Yeah. Long day.
We are gonna go over to the American Adventure. The kids have never seen the show over there, so we're wanting to take them over there to see that. This one's very into history, so we thought that that'd be good. We're gonna try to do the Hall of Presidents too. So that's where we were eating lunch at, was right over there. One of my favorite pavilions. Come on, kiddo.
Hi.
Hello. Hi.
Where are you sitting? There?
See? You get to see all the countries. There's China. There's China. We're gonna go all the way around. Yeah, there's China over there. It's one of Bella's favorites. So we get to see a bit of Germany here. Go through Italy on the way over to the American Adventure. This is not the crowdest that it's ever been when we've been here. Definitely like that last week of October, first week of November has been just, I mean, just jam-packed. You can't even hardly move.
I have a birthday in November. There we go.
But it's definitely more crowded this time of year, of course.
Where are we going to go next?
The Jack and Annie book where you read about gondolas? There you go. There's a little canal right here. It's a good look, Daddy.
Hi.
Hi. Daddy and I have hit the Hakuna Matata part of the trip. Okay, we were just talking. We don't know what that is off in the distance, like behind the the country that's over there, which I believe is Canada, there's something off in the distance that looks really different. It looks like part mountain, part slide. Yeah, it's weird. That's different than anything I've ever...
It almost looks like what looks like either a big old bay window or solar panels.
Yeah.
And then on the other side of the building in front of it, you can see there's like some sort of like vent, like open, you know.
Yeah.
At the top. It could be like a... I don't think it's the maintenance thing for the transportation stuff, because that's not the shape of those.
No. Alright, get down, guys. I want to fish you out of the gondola canal. And you guys know we've been here before. It's weird. I don't think that I've ever noticed that. So we're both like, have we just seen that a bunch of times and never realized that? Is it something new? What in the world is that? I don't know. So this will be the kids' first time seeing this. She's telling it her wishes. All right, good throw.
Yeah, I'm gonna get it.
Look, now we're up on the second floor. You can see down into the middle where we were. See? I remember having to do this as a kid, and it always seemed like really long and winding. It still seems pretty long and winding as an adult, actually.
Oh my gosh, this is so steep.
Really pretty theater.
I wouldn't mind sitting at the end.
Hope you're enjoying yourselves. Hope you're enjoying the World Showcase. Maybe Future World, that's where we're headed. Mexico Dock is the closest this boat can take you to Future World, where you can go on soaring fishing.
We are going to go over to 1900 Park Fair for our dinner reservations. So we've got to go head to the monorail real quick.
Look, victory.
Monorails.
Victory is just a few short steps away.
Monorail. Magic Kingdom Resorts and Ticket and Transportation Center. We're trying to get to the Grand Floridian, so this is how we're going to get there. Hey, your first monorail ride of the trip. Yeah. I know. This is the first. We're doing a computer reset, so everything's off.
I mean, like that.
We're trying to make it to our 5:25 reservations and sitting on a monorail that has no power. It's 4:59. It is like and we get to transfer monorails one more time. Easy. We'll see. At least hold on to the car. We're at the Ticket and Transportation Center. We just got off the monorail and we're going right back over to this monorail over here to go on the resort monorail. We might actually make it because now it's just around 5 o'clock and our reservation's at 5:25, so we should make it.
Yeah, we gotta go on.
Yeah, the resort one. It takes two.
Make a monorail go around.
It takes two to make a monorail go around. There's one up there right now too. Okay. And we're here.
You so choose.
We're not. Don't get off.
Nope.
No.
Not at Polynesian Village. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Where are we going?
Back here.
No. That's where we're going tomorrow. Here, get your hand in. We're going to the Grand Floridian right now. Oh, look, our next stop. We are
Which one's
here.
this one now?
Do you remember the name? No, not Chuck Mickey's. It's tomorrow.
What's that?
Do you remember what the
Well, they
name
give us
of
one
the
little
place
splash, but I think I say that every time we go past and then I forget that it's there. Yeah, isn't that cute?
Yeah, we're going here.
We're gonna go eat here. This is where our dinner reservations are. You remember coming here, Isabella? It's pretty. Maybe when you're like 14 or 15, we can stay here. And taking it in. What's that? The cage. I think it's just for decoration.